Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your lock screen background on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Start button, select Settings, you want to go ahead and select where it says Personalization on the left side. And then on the right, you want to scroll down and select Lock Screen. Where it says Personalize your lock screen, you can click inside the drop down here and you can select either a Windows Spotlight photo, which is default, a specific picture in which you can then browse your computer for an image, or select one of Microsoft's sample pictures, or you could also select a slideshow. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.